thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is super exciting because it's a brand new wig that just came out that I've kind of been looking at and had my eye on for a little while. So let's jump right into this synthetic wig review. So this one is from Sensational. It's a part of their Cloud 9 collection. And if you've never had one of their Cloud 9 wigs, like, you should definitely treat yourself. The price point is slightly higher, but you definitely do get more for your money. This one is the multi-parting lace wig. It's a human hair hybrid mix. So it does have synthetic fibers, but it also has human fibers. So you know your wig is gonna last you a little bit longer and be higher quality. So this one is 100% full hand tied unit, and it's the YAKI 26 inch, and I do have her in the color number 2. So right off the bat, looking at the unit, it does not look 26 inches to me, but I could be wrong. It does look like it's about 22 or so, but it doesn't look like it's 26 to me. Let's take a look at the cap construction. So we do have our lace frontal section, which is all in here. And then you have more lace, and it is all hand tied. You can see that the hairs are tied in there. You do have a comb in the back. You have 2 combs on the side and your 2 adjustable straps. The hair definitely feels like it's a really nice texture. It feels like that nice, relaxed, light yaki feel. It has a nice shake and bounce to it, and it has a good luster. So yeah, let me pop her on. If you are curious about the wig that I have on my head right now, I do have a review up on my channel with this hair. So definitely click up here so you can check that out, but make sure you finish watching this video first. Okay, you guys, so I decided to go ahead and add some baby hairs. Actually, the baby hairs came with it, so I didn't need to cut any baby hairs. The baby hairs were already cut into it, so literally all I did was just slick them down. I used Got To Be Glued gel. I used the black one, and then I also used the freezing spray just to give it a little more body because it was looking a little flat to me. Like I said when I took it out the pack, this hair is definitely not 26 inches long. This hair is closer to 20 inches long. I'll give maybe the longest layer maybe 22, but that's even pushing it. And the shorter layers are definitely 18 inches, you guys. So I'm not sure where they're coming up with these names of these wigs, but this one is definitely not 26 inches. I feel like the Rachel wig was even longer than this one, but the hair on this wig is definitely bomb quality, you guys. I am absolutely loving it, and I'm loving the versatility with the parting. You know that you guys probably know that I just like to kind of flip my hair over. I don't like to do a whole lot of parting. I literally just like to be able to lay my baby hairs down and just kind of flip my hair around. I actually really do like this wig. Like, overall, I think this wig is nice. Are there wigs that have come out that are a little bit better? I would definitely say yes. I would say that the Zury Biz Wig was probably a little nicer than this one, or at least comparable. And then the Sensational Angie wig was definitely fire. Like, I loved that one too. In terms of thickness and density, this one might actually be a little bit fuller. So maybe I do like this one a little better because it is fuller, and the layers on it just seem to be like thicker to me, and that I definitely do like. I also like the cut of this one is nice and long everywhere. Like you don't have to worry about short layers framing your face or anything, especially if you like to wear your hair back from your face. I think that the haircut on this one is actually nicer. So yeah, you guys, I really like this wig. I definitely think it's worth the money, but I wish that they would stop calling these wigs 26 inches, 28 inches, and it's just not. It's not that length. It's definitely shorter, but she's definitely beautiful. I really love her, and in this color number 2 in the sunlight, I think she is going to be so gorgeous, you guys. If you have questions or I forgot to mention anything, definitely leave it in the comment section down below, and there will be a link to this hair on samsbeauty.com in the information bar as well. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and especially subscribe to this channel. I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 20,000 subscribers, so make sure you're sharing. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the slow-mos.